abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The FBI is searching for Leilani Graham, Pacific Islander, female, 13 years old, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 147 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a white and yellow striped shirt, unknown pants, black shoes, and carrying a clear backpack. Police are looking for Shaw Kendrick Edward Smith, black male, 22 years old, 6 feet 1 inches tall, 250 pounds, black hair and brown eyes in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a blue 2008 GMC truck with a Texas license plate number of 28809T1. The suspect was last heard from in Houston, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the FBI at 713-693-5000. News media point of contact is FBI at 713-693-5000.